In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of connecting a soundbar or home theater to your Pioneer 4K Xumo TV using an optical cable or TOSLINK connection and set up the optical sound settings properly for rich audio experience. So let's begin. First, make sure that your sound device is connected to power. Now grab the optical cable and plug one end to your soundbar's optical or TOSLINK port and make sure to push it firmly until you hear a click. Then we will connect the other end to our Pioneer TV's optical port. After connecting, if your soundbar has different modes, make sure you have selected the optical input. Now your soundbar should be connected to your Xumo TV via optical. But by default, your TV's built-in speaker will also be enabled, and because of that, you may hear echoing when you're playing some music. So to fix that, just open Settings, go to Picture and Sound, then Audio Settings, and from here, disable the built-in speakers. Now that we're here, in some cases, if you're not hearing audio through your optical device, then you can go to Digital Audio Output and change it to PCM or pass-through from auto. This should fix your audio issue. And also keep in mind that you won't be able to control your optical device's audio using your TV remote. So you'll have to use your soundbar or home theater's remote. And that's all there is to it. So go ahead and enjoy your music and make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick guides.